Welcome back, everyone. Have you ever wondered if AI could write the news? What if it could analyze data, fact check stories, and even suggest the perfect headline, all in minutes? Well, the future is here with journalist AI. Today, we're diving into how journalist AI is redefining journalism and content creation. Stick around to see how this tool could save you hours, boost your creativity, and help you create high quality content in record time. Don't miss out. Subscribe and hit that bell icon for more AI insights. Are you ready to see the power of AI in action? Let's jump in. Instantly, get hundreds of relevant articles that are unique and optimized for your niche. Journalist AI crafts content that is well structured, appropriate for your business, and that ranks on Google. Journalist AI is equivalent to an expert writer, writing informed articles that make sense for your business. All articles include a featured image and in-article images in relevant paragraphs. These images are copyright-free. You can also choose to include YouTube videos. Articles look good and are properly formatted, containing all important HTML elements such as H2s, H3s, paragraphs, lists, and tables. All articles include a thoughtful outline that makes sense from beginning to end. Content follows a natural flow to engage the reader and maximize read time. Mass generate articles according to your preferences, niche, keywords, titles, structure and headings, and more. Generate articles based on your own keywords, or just tell Journalist AI about your business and niche. Auto-publishing. Seamlessly publish articles to platforms like WordPress and Shopify. Knowledge base. Integration. Upload your own documents to ensure content aligns with your brand voice. Keyword research. Automatically conduct keyword research to enhance SEO. Flexible pricing plans. Options for solo users, businesses, and agencies. Content generation. Create up to 300 articles at once, saving time and effort. As you can see, the content generated with Journalist AI is so feature-rich that it's ready to publish to my blog. I can just click to publish to WordPress or set up an auto blog and automate the whole process. Journalist AI is an innovative writing tool that combines the power of artificial intelligence with SEO strategies. Designed for bloggers, marketers, and agencies, it offers a comprehensive suite of features that simplify the content creation process. From auto blogging to keyword monitoring, Journalist AI is equipped to handle various writing tasks efficiently. Journalist AI stands out due to its extensive features. Auto blogging. Automatically generate and publish articles based on your preferences. Knowledge base. Upload. Upload documents and resources to guide the AI in writing content that reflects your brand's voice. Image and video embedding. Automatically include relevant images and videos in your articles. Keyword research. Conduct keyword research to identify high-ranking opportunities. Internal and external linking. Automatically link to relevant content within your site and to external sources. Subscription plans and pricing. Journalist AI offers several pricing plans to cater to different needs. Solo plan, starting at 39-month annual billing with 100 credits per month. Business plan, starting at 59-month, ideal for teams needing more features and credits. Agency plan, tailored for larger teams with extensive content needs. Note, credits do not roll over, so plan your usage accordingly. The dashboard is user-friendly, allowing you to create presets for your articles. This feature saves time by letting you set default parameters for future articles, such as tone, style, and keywords. You can also customize how images are sourced and included in your content. One of the standout features is the ability to create a knowledge base. This allows you to upload specific documents that the AI can reference when generating content. This ensures that the articles produced are not only relevant, but also accurate and aligned with your brand's messaging. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in AI and tech. And tell us in the comments, what do you think of AI in journalism? Are you ready for it?